Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Mail app review to see with what using. So to get started, in 2005 the Mail app, formerly known as PayMail, is a top digital wallet and online banking app in the Philippines, offering features like wallet transfer, bills payment, crypto trading, and saving account with interest rate up to 10% per annum. It also provides user with a virtual and physical card, OR payment, and investment tools all in one app. Mail is licensed by the Banco and is trusted by millions for daily transactions and digital banking. However, it's not without problems. Users frequently report account lockout, poor customer service, and security issues like unauthorized transaction and delayed crypto withdrawal. The app also has a occasional bug and notification overload. And here's a very conclusion about this. Mail is worth it for convenient, all-in-one digital banking, especially for spending, paying bills, and earning interest. But it's best not to restore it's best not to store large balance or rely on it as your only banking solution. And that's it.